Howdy everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a real quick one. If you have a model and you want to see it in perspective, you would just go up to View, Orthographics, little pull down, go Perspective, and you go, okay, that's the look that I want. And I want to have that exact look in a drawing. So you would assume, okay, this is set. Let's open up a drawing. Let's drop this in, Base View. Here's one thing also, I want that exact position. So if I go to my cube and I do this pull down, down at the very bottom says current model orientation. If you pick that, you get the exact same thing. But when you say okay, you look at it and you go, well, two things are wrong with this. One, it's not perspective, and I want to see my edges. So double click back on it, go up to display, tangent edges, and that's great. Now where's my perspective? You right click. You assume it would be under here where you would change it. Weirdly enough, that is not the case. Double click on it, go up to your cube, right click. Right there is perspective. There's also perspective with ortho faces, which is, to me, is kind of useless. If you want ortho, just put it in ortho. But this makes it to where if it's faced, exactly cube, right, left, top, it will go back into ortho even if you have perspective. With ortho turned on. Odd thing. So let's go perspective. You'll see it clip a little bit. Not a big deal. Just say okay. Once it's done, it will give you that. Also, a nice little trick, if you double click without going over here and trying to figure out the magic number for size, you can actually grab this corner and grab and stretch it. So you can make it bigger, say okay, and there you go. So now you have the angle, perspective, and you can actually update it. If you go back to the model, you can change that as well. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.